Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and even make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new OBD2 diagnostic tool. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review. Let's go and actually check it out. This one looks super cool. Let's go ahead and open it up. Check that out. Quick start guide. Oh, look at this. Very nice size display. Very cool. Then it comes with the Type-C power cable and then the connector itself. So let's go ahead and actually hook it up. So turned it on just to check it out. Look at this. It's nice. We're going to plug in this right here. Screw that in. All right, there we go. So we're just going to go ahead and set it up. English. It lets you know right here the battery percent in case you need a charger or anything like that. And it looks like we're already good to go. So looks like auto search, diagnose, OBD, history, reports, and then feedback. Looks like upgrade if we want to upgrade the service. Let's look what we got under more. Check this out. Online service. So let's see if we looks like we could hook it up to the Wi-Fi. So we'll go here. Yep, check this out. Go to settings. Right here, Wi-Fi. Cool, let's hook it up. Yep, there we go, connected. So even if we wanted to go ahead and device firmware fix, if you're having any issues, you can do that. Let's see what else. Change settings there. So looks like we have an actual update available. We're gonna go ahead and just install it now. We'll go ahead and let it do its thing. But now, once it finishes, we're gonna go ahead and hook it up to the car and actually test it out. All right, and I just got it hooked up to our other vehicle. Let's go ahead and just hit auto search, have it search for it right there. Correct. Go here. Yes, I do wish to exit. So I just went to recent, as you can see, and hit the diagnose button. Guess we were in the right thing. Cool, let's do health report. Got a couple issues, as you can see. Cool, you can even hit the Google search right on there just to see what's going on with it. Look at that. 6 systems found. LLDTCs. See what that one. Let's just hit Google search. See what happens. How to fix and reset it right on here through YouTube. That's cool. So I'm gonna hit back. So I'm gonna hit back here again. System scan. Let's try this one. Cool. System select. So see, super easy to use. I'm gonna go ahead and exit. But very, very cool. Love the display. Love how user friendly it is. Can search up what issues you have right then and there on Google if you need to. So super cool. All right, now let's go and actually try it out. Spark. Let's see this. Clear fault code. You can clear them, so you can see. Did I hit no? I'm not gonna erase them, but just wanted you to see on here. Lets you see all the test results. Read live data. Look at this. I'm not even car savvy, but for someone who is, check this out. So super cool, guys. All right, guys, so if you guys are looking for a new OBD2 scanner, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Get yours. Highly recommend.